my channel. So today I have another daily goodie box. So how you get one of these is you will need to just interact with them on their social medias. I usually interact with them on Facebook. You can definitely try Instagram, but I'm not sure about that. And it's just a free box of like healthy goodies, and yeah, you just have to review them. So this is the protein snack mix, barbecue snack mix from K's. Has a bunch of protein in it. They are so good. It's like protein Chex Mix. So good. Then the next thing I have is these Prince of Peace ginger chews with the Mandarin orange. I've actually had the ginger chews before, but not the Mandarin orange kind. That's new. And these are really great for like if you have an upset stomach. They're amazing. Just a reminder, all of the links for these products will be down in the description box below. Next are these coconut oil single serve packets. These are really cool. I have never seen single serve packets of organic coconut oil before, but it is amazing, and it's just simply just that. It's coconut oil in a packet. They're 100 calories each. For people that do that bulletproof coffee where you put butter or coconut oil in your coffee, these would be great. And depending on the temperature, they're going to be hard or soft. If you're liking this video so far, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. So next are these rehydration tablets. You just drop them in your water when you're feeling dehydrated. Maybe you've sweat a lot, you come from the gym, or it's been like a really hot day outside. So these are really amazing for that. And I think kids can also take it. Next thing is this Herbal Guru Herbal Tea. And you can't really see on camera, but it's got lemon, licorice root, pineapple, ginger, all that good stuff. And it's made by naturopath doctors, so that's amazing. And I can't wait to try this. So here is the Viter Energy. They're like breath mints, but give you energy. And then we have some Andalou little face cream pods. I got these in the last box, but I love these. They're so great. And then here is the Sun and Earth. It's like a spot treater. It's just like a natural Tide stick or Tide to go. I love getting products like this that I didn't even know existed, but it's the natural alternative to something that has a bunch of chemicals in it. So as always, on the bottom there will be some coupons and some information cards. This is 30% off of those barbecue mix at the beginning. And then here is an information card for Herbal Guru. That's the herbal tea, available on Amazon, and it has information about their other teas. So I've just got the immunity one, but it's good to know the other ones that they have. So then here is a 10% off of box.com, and that was everything in the box. I loved this box. It was amazing.